Alright, I'm currently adjusting the audio for it, but I figured I'd record something eventually. I bought this game, it's called The Invisible Hand. On this recording, I probably will play through all of it. I don't care how long that's going to take, I've got a full 2 hours of time till I need to go. So, we are going to do... Ah, full screen. Please. Please, for the love of God. No, I literally just want it so that my mouse won't go off the screen. Apparently that is too much to ask. Small price to pay. So we got an incoming call from someone here. Have you dumped that mining position yet? What positions do I even have? What? Wait, oh, do it. Dump it. Who am I dumping? God, what? You know what? Fuck it. That? Sell all that, make some money on that, sell some money on that. Who's calling me? Hi, this is Ryan from downstairs? Yeah, okay, we got liquidate. Oh, 11 million. Let's cut our losses on this one. Ah, fuck. Great, liquidate that. Liquidate that. Who's short that? Start buying every single share you can. Yeah, there we go. We made some money with that. I don't even know what we're doing. I don't know. Buy back that. Buy back that. Who is talking? Hello, this is Ronald from the Trade Investment Commission. We're detecting a number of abnormalities from your exchange. Small price to pay, I guess. I don't know what just happened, but I think I made some money. September 26, 2023, 9:04, after the crash. We're at Ferios. Who is Ferios? Who are you? As the screen behind me implies, welcome to Ferios. Or is it Furios? Or Ferios? I don't know. I think it's Ferios. You may have been surprised to hear from us following the recent crash, but I'm pleased to confidentially disclose that the bailout has come through. Needless to say, everybody involved in that crisis has been held suitably responsible. They now work for our inferior competitors. Because of this, we now have an entry-level analyst position available. We've also had some complaints in the past, so this is now a paid internship. Ordinarily, we wouldn't consider someone without a traditional finance background, but you were recommended by an employee we consider trustworthy. They consider you trustworthy. Let's go? As you know, trust is risk. Please act accordingly. Before we proceed, the Trade and Investment Commission requires Ferios to subject all potential hires to a questionnaire. Form 3429810-B, standardized ethical and legal examination. Common sense implies that you know what the correct answers to these questions are. Please input them as quickly as possible so that we can move past this. I doubt with all sincerity that anyone who takes longer than a few minutes to complete this test is in any way suited to an employment in this form. It takes longer than a few minutes to complete this test is in any way suited to employment at this firm. We have 10 questions, time limit of 1 hour, pass score required is 80%, and number of retakes permitted, unlimited. Additionally, our public relations teams have suggested that we voluntarily submit ourselves to an enhanced pass requirement of 100% instead of 80%. It's more ethical. We have agreed on your behalf. The timer will begin as soon as you press the begin test button. So this is an ethical examination question. Begin test. You are approached by a high net worth individual with substantial capital gain who explicitly states the desire to exempt it from all taxation in our jurisdictions. Now, the correct answer is highlighted for us, but the other funny answers are... Oh, yeah, that's based. That's based. Those are open the account and assure... No, I'm gonna just answer correctly here, but those are two based options. Fortunately, there are plenty of places where taxes aren't much of a problem to begin with. It's Avery Corbin. That's your name. An alcoholic invites you to join an insider trading scheme involving computer network in which investment professionals illegally exchange privileged information. And reject the invitation. That's definitely what I'm going to do. Winks. Remember about something like this ghost network started years ago. TIC probably thinks it actually exists. You were asked to invest on behalf of your firm in an offshore company with self-evident connections to organized crime, rogue states, and/or individuals banned from securities trading by the Trade Investment Commission. Do you reject the request and report identifying details of the offshore company of the Trade Investment Commission? Yes, definitely, totally. I would totally do that. The Trade and Investment Commission introduces a requirement that will negatively impact your current trading strategy. Your clients threaten to leave if you do not circumvent this new requirement. Inform your client that this is a requirement by law, and any competing firm which circumvents it will be reported and prosecuted by the Trade Commission. In addition to number 2, report the names of your clients to the Trade and Investment Commission for addition to relevant watch list. Jeez, we really are being snitches. But yes, totally. If you think about it, the firm that got caught doing that would deserve to lose their clients in the first place. You apply for employment at a firm which expresses contempt for regulations, practices, and/or procedures of the Trade and Investment Commission during the interview process. Proceed with the interview. Report any actual regulatory infractions to the Trade and Investment Commission if they are mentioned during the interview process. I suppose you'll be turning me in. Thanks, Corbin. You discover that your firm has secretly been using technology that enables a decisive advantage in trading efficiency over all competing firms. This technology is permitted under current thing. The current is permitted. Leverage the legal status. Nah, we just gotta use it as intended. You're in your favorite restaurant where a local student asks you to explain and define the concept of fiduciary duty. Do you tell the student that it means you're responsible to favor the interests of your clients within all legal requirements and your personal or professional code of ethics, except where those aforementioned code of ethics conflict with legal requirements, in which case those are the requirements which must be fastidiously preferred. This is so much legalese. I hate this, but it is true. Yes. Don't you hate when students materialize out of nowhere like that? You possess criminal information about your firm or information regarding criminal acts that are likely to occur in the future. You are not a criminal. You wish to report this information within the Trade Commission. Do you direct your web browser to share information website? Follow the provided instructions. Are you submitting the appropriate form to the division most closely related to the nature of the criminal information? Yes. How have you ever been on that website? Good luck. And after a 7-year investigation, the financial services firm at which you were employed is fined $800,000 by the Trade and Investment Commission, which generated approximately $6 million in revenue, $5 million which was paid to you personally. Do you owe a formal obligation of the Trade and Investment Commission to operate any of its investigators, if and when it called upon to do so? First investigation took 7 years. Imagine how the second one might take. You are subjected to discrimination on the basis of race. Race, religion, disability, gender, sexual orientations, and or other marginalization by supervisor who implies or infers that the discrimination will continue and or escalate if you do not agree to illegally trade securities as defined by the Trade and Investment Commission. Do you refuse to undertake an illegal trading activity and report the identifying identity of the discriminated party to the Trade and Investment Commission? Yes. At least they have the priority straight. Examination over. Result. Passed. You also need to complete these 5 additional questions. Your company, Farios, has submitted to the trade event that they have values-based culture on the following: accountability, customer focus, diversity. Accountability, customer focus, diversity is such an important part of my life and is basically my culture. I also hate Avery Corbin for no reason other than that hideous facial hair. What are you writing a tearful essay? You're not looking for opinion columnists here. With the salary of the top 1% of ours, what cash would you like to pledge to a crowdfunding campaign? Let's say 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. You know what? Yeah, that's fine. What would you give to a person who requested $10? Let's give them. Let's just ruin the local economy, shall we? You do realize you're virtue signaling to a computer program, right? Yeah, I'm well aware. Integrity. I want to scam the people out of their money, 100 words or less. I hate all people equally and will steal their money and their livelihoods and then give it to someone rich. You're wasting my time. You know, I will play with regular difficulty. It's called the stock market simulation game. Is what? Sorry, if you weren't already clear what this game is, it's called The Invisible Hand. It is a stock market simulation video game. It's very fun. I would like to play on regular difficulty. Surveyed. This is the spirit, or at least it is until you start losing. Congratulations, your ability to correctly answer these questions with little hesitation implies a clear understanding of their value. I have no clue what I agreed to. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have another meeting. This exam is only phase of our recruitment process in which a company supervisor is legally obligated to be here. Give me a second, I gotta fix this bracelet I've been wearing all day, and I undid a part of it. I am sorry. There we go. You might hear it rattle. It's a little bit of metal, one of some nice things. I love it or not. I wear it all the time. The remainder of our procedure involves several days of take-home work that you will need to complete within 72 hours. I will email it to you shortly. Unfortunately, we are not able to offer compensation for this take-home work, as we are already making a substantial investment by reviewing your submission of it. Someone with a newly renewed sense of ethics, I'm sure you could agree with that anything else would be deeply unfair to us. If selected for the position, you will receive an offer of employment in writing. Various will only communicate with successful applicants. It was so wonderful to meet with you today. I really enjoyed it. Do not contact me. Goodbye. I love that. I got an achievement. Hired hand. Farios Capital, Tuesday, September 26, 2023, 8:11. A new beginning. Use your mouse to look around. You can move like that. Who are you? Nice to meet you. I'm Morgan Lee. Seems like only one of us is going to end up with the job. I tried to look you up on Business Link and a few other alumni networks, but I couldn't find anything. That means you're either a big problem or no problem at all. Interesting. Meeting is going to be at 10. It is currently almost 9. Let's look around. Can I go through here? No, I cannot. What's in here? I can't crouch, but that's cool. We got over here. Yoink. How do you throw? It is such an important question. Let's take a look. Throw. Mouse 2. That's not working. Mouse 2 is middle mouse button. What? What? Excuse me? I hate your facial hair. Look at that. Good morning to both of you. Welcome to Farios and to your first day as a probationary analyst. We're looking for the right person to fill this role. One of you is the wrong person. If either of you figure it out ahead of schedule, feel free to let me know. Otherwise, we'll let the results speak for themselves. Follow me. Hello, buddy. Nice facial hair. I hate it. Human resources put all the personal garbage you sent over into these boxes. If it was up to me, none of you would be allowed to have this kind of clutter on your desks in the first place. Somebody must have threatened a lawsuit. Keep it organized, at least. This is a place of business. So we got... This really strikes you as an appropriate time to go rifling. Oh, I didn't even get to read it. Oh, I didn't even get to read it. Start by the market. Why do we need 4 things here? Click on the screens. To your main screen. This shows information on all the stocks you are currently permitted to trade and allows you to execute orders on them to buy and sell. To see detailed information on stocks, simply click on it. You'll also see that this screen contains data on your funds, assets, and ranking within the firm. Eventually, your role will be to watch trade feed for information in those stocks and will be increasing in value shortly. You would also want to buy these stocks, wait for them to increase in value, and then sell them. Simple, right? This is the part that even the people trading in their pajamas can usually figure out. Good luck! We got GeistNet. GeistNet? Coffee will surge. A Harper Ward. Hey! How's your first day going, pal? Okay, is this my friend? Don't bitch me if Corbin scares the shit out of you. You want in? I got you in. Who did they put you up against for your probation? Morgan Lee? Fuck, I was worried they'd do that. I'm not going to lie to you. You've got basically no chance. He went to all the right schools, took all the right classes. Fortunately, he's too squeaky clean to know all the right people. People like me. I also don't appreciate them pissing on my recommendation by setting you up to get fucked like that. I want to let you in on something, and my God give you access to Geist. You should see it on there now. Alright, Geist is a closed network made up of information brokers and anonymous insiders. You don't know who they are, you don't need to know who they are, they get taken care of. You're going to see information on Geist that goes against what you see on TradeFeed, what you watch on INN, what you hear from your friends and your family. Everything, basically. Just remember, what you see on Geist is smart money. Not only is it the truth, but we know it is before anyone else does. There's nothing wrong with the information everybody gets on Trade Feed. And you'll need all of it. You'll need all of it as things pick up. But Geist will always be the ace up your sleeve. Follow it over the next few days, for example, and you should be able to take down Lee easily. Nobody would ever tell him about it, and you would use it even if they did. Too worried about getting dirty looks at the kombucha enema clinic. Too scared of getting the money police. Whatever. Not our problem. Lots of people at Farius know about Geist, but only a few people at Farius know about Geist. Don't treat it like a topic of casual conversation, and you'll be fine. I brought you here because you didn't buckle under pressure at the old place. I know you weren't directly involved, but you could have talked. You didn't. That said, if you don't want to be a part of this, you can walk away right now. But the moment you buy Dark Roast Co., when everybody else on that floor is selling, that's the moment I'll know where you stand. From that, my friend, the sky is the limit. I'll see you around. I'll see you tonight. Drinks are on me. Companies that supply coffee will profit from this thing. Just click on Dark Roast Co. Let me buy some shares. A portfolio view. Okay. Take a break. I don't want to take a break just yet. I was gonna crash for a second. Buy this. Let's just let that exist for a second. We're gonna sit here. We'll get some coffee here. Watch it crash again. There we go. We invested quite a bit into it. And now we're gonna go get some coffee. Coffee apparently speeds up time. Reports to the surface in the morning that while the global demand for gourmet coffee is soaring, major firms are unable to secure an adequate supply of beans to match production. Accordingly, shares of all major coffee companies, including longtime leader in industry benchmark Dark Roast Co., are down. Put another 10K in there. Put another 10K in there. This has to go back up. It's water. Water will rise if coffee doesn't. Right? Come on. Let's see if it rises more. It kept rising. I sold too early. Who cares? Let's put a 10K investment in that. Let's put another 10K investment in this. Put another 10K investment in that. Go to evaluation. Avery Corbin. At the end of each day, we offer our employees not only an evaluation of their performance, but also the opportunity to reflect it through personal account spending. You'll notice that your initial personal account balance is negative 37K. As I mentioned in the interview, this is a paid internship. In the event of your termination, you'll be liable for this. Feel free to have your parents write us a check if you would prefer to start at zero, though. You shouldn't have any problem digging yourself out if you know what you're doing. Once in the black, make sure you utilize our bespoke concierge purchasing service. I've had access to it installed on your terminal. We're not only taking care of purchasing anything you can afford, but also handle any logistics requests. We want you to focus on making money. Let the experts tell you how to spend it. They won't tell anyone your good taste is actually theirs. Goodbye. So we made quite a bit of money. We made quite a bit of money on coffee-related markets. And we get a free bit here. First furniture box is free. We got a bear statuette. We got a sofa, and we got a designer chair. Alright, go home. Let's leave. Just got a notification that you paid off your personal account debt to the firm. Money is relatively cheap, and being afraid of debt is the kind of thing that nobody of any intelligence should be concerned with, but I suppose congratulations are in order. So, congratulations. I hate your soulless eyes. Of course, the real debt you owe to Farios is the opportunity we gave you to prove yourself. Life isn't fair, you're lucky it isn't. Don't forget that. It's actually a very deep line. Life isn't fair, and you're lucky it isn't. Sean Powell, fired. He went home. Now should be the next day. Or we'll go to pitch black screen forever. Wednesday, September 27th, 2023. Coming up short, the market doesn't open until 9 a.m. Who are you? I'm so sorry that I didn't get to meet. I'm so sorry that I didn't get the chance to meet you yesterday. I was taking it personally. I'm Quinn Miller, and yes, to get it out of the way, my grandparents did start the company that owns Farios. Please don't worry, I'm not old or rich or gross. I'm here to work as hard as you do, I promise. Please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. You're just playing solitaire. We got a bear. Please stand up. Market won't open until 1. Open. Hidden labor. Coffee will drop at 1400. Shares of dark roast immediately bounce back up and are expected to continue rising throughout the day. Avery Corbin. Good morning. Time you learned about short selling. I've unlocked the capability to do this on your terminal. I realize that you've only had a single day to get oriented around simple transactions. The firm is losing money every second that you aren't doing this. Enough is enough. Short selling is where we borrow shares of a stock at its current price with the belief that this price will decrease. If it does decrease, we profit off the difference between that initial price and the price when we execute the buyback. Doing this will also give you cash on hand to buy other stocks that you think will increase in value, taking a long position on them. That should be all you need to know. It seems as if Dark Roast Co. see a lot of movement today as well, so that may be an opportunity for you to short sell us into a nice little payday. Be sure to make use of any information that you may have at your disposal. Goodbye. Short for 100K. Short for another 50K. Short. Hey, thought I would come by and see things are going. You should get all this personal shit off your desk. Makes you look like an asshole. Also, see that Corbin gave you access to shorting. If you somehow manage to make some sort of DRC wink wig, you should probably consider buying Starnux and going along on it. After Coffee crashes, Starnux is only going to rise over time. I'm long on Starnux myself. Obviously, I wouldn't give you advice if it wasn't good for me too. I got tickets to that thing tonight if you're going to chip in for bottle service. Beverages, Starnux. Let's long for 100K. Yeah. Shorts, capitalization, all this shit. Ow, my eyes hurt. Fuck. We're long in Starnux. Aquaferna. Starnux is beverages. Aquaferna should also. Ah, fuck. Oh! Get out, get out! Oh! Short for 5K. Please keep crashing. I'm not afraid to lose money, but... Oh! Oh, sell this. Sell that for real. Just get out. I don't want to be in there anymore. Let's put a long for 10K on there. It's going to either rise eventually or it won't rise at all. We're long on 10K here. Oh, we got a whole bunch of feed on here. Execute the buyback. Make money off that. Let's go long here for a little bit. Oh, fuck. Short it for another 50K. It's gonna keep crashing, I hope. Just hold it. That's gonna keep rising. Bye. I don't like the amount of red I'm seeing here. How are you rising? Execute the buyback. Beverages are basically just up. Is there, like, okay, the market's just gonna close soon. Oh, we can't have tea, we can only have coffee. Damn, I wonder if tea's even in this. Floor is closing for nightly disinfection. You made money on coffee-related material. Is it just me, or did they change the weakest coffee to make it taste like shit? What do you have to say? I guess they want us to drink in the harder stuff. Hi. Did you go say anything? What are your profits like? You made 500. You're making 500,000 on Southern Soda. What are you? What's your rank? You're also a probationary analyst, and you've made 10 million? Hey, Quinn. Alright. Let's go home. Oh, can I go home? I have to hit go home here. There we go. You can wait a little thing. No time is always passing. Let's walk out and say hi to Quinn. Hey there! Sorry if this name isn't on my business, but you look a little stressed out. I'm sure you've been introduced to coffee as a joy, but have you tried tea yet? I just find quite the opposite effect. When I drink it, it feels like the whole world slows down. Focusing on small details becomes easier, and I stop worrying that things are constantly passing me by. I'm not totally sure how it works, but if it wasn't 100% natural, I'm not sure that the company can make it. I'm sure the company that makes it wouldn't be called 100% natural. I know working here can be tough. Be kind to yourself. Thanks, Quinn. Effectiveness. The future is dark. The net is darker. Let's have some tea. Let's have some medium strength tea. The guys who loaded it in the machine were practically wearing hazmat suits. Market is open. Let's see here. Dark, let's see this tip. Let me guess, you sat down at your desk and went straight to GeistNet, only to find it replaced by an extremely boring cable news network. It sucks, but sometimes journalism gets in the way of worthwhile information. When the insiders don't have anything interesting for us, we have to get by like everybody else. Do your best to read between the lines, though, and you'll be good. At the very least, INN can clue you on what suckers are paying attention to. At that point, sometimes all you have to do is be more cynical than they are. Greengrocers. Aquaferna is expected to surge with new supply. Uno Eats. Just sell it. We had a profit on something like that. Ooh, yeah, that's gonna crash. It's gonna crash eventually. Is that still crashing? Yes, it is. Short it for 250. Go long. Go long on that. Short that. I'm not even sure what I'm doing. Oh, Dark Roscoe. Oh, just sell it. I like that music. Get out of those two. Short it for 50k. Go long for 50k. I'm just playing the money game here, and the money game is funny. These aren't real numbers, so it doesn't matter. I don't know if I'm actually just gambling. I'm really just gambling. Give me just a second, though, because something important. Alright. That is some money. About to make a rise. Keep climbing for a second. Let's keep the buyback there. Buy that. Short that again. I've been shorting all of these by accident. Okay, let's do some buybacks. Oh, we made some profit. On water-related markets. Water. Who makes it? Aquaferna. Aquaferna is going to go up. Yeah, put that in there. That's gonna go up a little bit. Put 10k in there. I was hoping that there would be a slight dip. Nope. Oh, maybe. Alright, we can't do that. Let's just long it for like another 75k. We should just put 100k on water. And then just hope. And then short this for like 75k. And then short this for 75k. And then long this for 75k. That's good. Do that buyback. Do that sell. Do that sell. Put another bunch in there. Short it. Oh god, I made a mistake there. Oh god. Now we just have to hold basically anything in. Oh my god. It's another 5k. Let's put one of those on there. Let's put one of those on there. And then let's go back to this. Short that. And then just hope it works out. It's not even that bad. Just sitting here making money over time. Coffee's eventually going to fall again. Oh my god, that's alive. Let's just take a look at my phone real quick and I'll talk to you as I look at this. This is not even that bad. It's just I'm seeing them. Oh, that's getting shorted. Let's long that for another 100K. Long that for another 250. And then just hold these positions. Oh. Oh god, Uno eats. Oh, Uno eats. You know what, let's get up. And let's fit. Go to evaluation. Made quite a bit of money. Let's buy some things here. We got a gold toilet. That on its own, I think, covered everything we spent. But let's keep it. Floor is closed for nightly disinfection. Hi. Now we go home. Now we come back the next day. Friday. Oh, time is moving way too fast. Hey. Don't tell him I told you this, but they're thinking of replacing Chef Burgundy if he doesn't get his act together. You expect a gourmet chef to get fussy when you tell them to do basically anything, but it's supposed to be in good fun. When he started, he was very Uric about it. It was charming. Lately, it's different. He's depressed or something. Can you believe it? Guy who yells at people about foie gras for a living. It's bad energy. Alright, let's have some nice, good tea. Let's sit down and see what our profits are. Who the real marginalized people are? The people willing to tell it like it is. Starnux is gonna fall. Oh, let's have some. We need some tea. We need some tea. Oh god. Oh god. The day is moving way too fast. I had Serenity now for having the highest level of tea. Oh, Starnux is gonna fall. This is a short. Short it for another bit. buy back this so I can short them for more. Who knows he's gonna rise? I hope so. Let's put a small long on them. Let's put a small long on Aquafrana. Now we just gotta sit back and watch the magic happen. What is this? Brodus is gonna rise. Starnox should make us a whole lot of money. Ah, it's falling. There we go. That's what I like to see. Up arrows on all of them. Down arrow on Starnox. I don't have enough cash. Please keep rising. No, you did not. Sell that. Please keep falling. There you go, that's 100k, that's 1k, that's buyback. Let's short it again. Oh, that's Aquafina making some money. Short it. Sell that. I want that to keep going down. Please keep going down. Short that. So it's not bad. I'm not doing too bad. But it's just like not, oh, it's also just not going as good as it could. Short it for another 50k. Short it for 100k. Let's put a long of 100k on that. Short it for 700. Market closes in a bit. Oh yes, they're still falling. That's rising. Let's buy back that. And then short it again. Buy back and then short again. So let's put 250 in there now. gonna keep falling. I thought it was going to keep rising. It will. Let's put another 100k in that. Short for more. Market's going crazy in some clay cases. Alright. We just need to hold strong for a little bit longer. Sell. Buy back. Wear a mask. Interact with vaccine skeptical neighbors, unfamiliar and/or hide vehicles. Persons and high-exposure professionals. Wear a mask. Let's just hold our position. Let's wait for the market to close. Let's go home. I was gonna go long on Southern Soda until I tried that new flavor they put out last night. Tastes like dog shitting in your mouth. Let's talk to you, Quinn. I don't want to go to the gym today, but I have to. Sounds like someone I know. You don't even want to know how much I ate last night. I might take the afternoon off just to go home and take a nap so I have energy. Don't you miss the days when you were just zen no matter what you did? Your party. Let's have some nice tea. Who are you? Guess it doesn't matter. Oh no, he's just gonna go down, okay. Okay. Very expensive long on dark coffee. And let's have a coffee. Let's see here. It's worse than trying to buy a condo. I'm gonna like literally end my heart doing this. Oh. Can I have a heart attack? Please keep rising just a little bit. There we go, we're doing good. Ooh. That's some big money right there. See if it can get to 60,000. If it drops below 50,000, I sell. If it gets above 60,000, we sell at 60,000. Anything lower than 60,000. Oh my god, this is some big time profit. There you go. We made some good money today. $154,000 worth of good money. Let's go to evaluation. We made analysis. Farios makes a point of investing in employees who show potential, but the additional truth is that we don't want to be associated with people who live in squalor. Have you started investing in real estate? I'm asking rhetorically, of course. I know you haven't been. But I got news. The firm retains a number of condominiums in the city for your exact position. You'll now see that the terminal has the ability to have access to a personal real estate service. Start by claiming the condo will give to you. To keep succeeding in the market, I mentioned you might get a chance to make a piss and screw up, and you'll be right back where you started. Wherever that was. Goodbye. Let's get another condo. And let's have this condo have the gold toilet in it. Have it have that in it. The designer chair in it. And we will lease it for just $6K a day. And we'll spend that. And then let's put that in that one. Put another executive chair. Get another executive chair. And let's go home. Can't be serious about this. My performance has been exceptional. I'm sorry, Mr. Lee, but the probationary terms are clearly specified. There's no room for Spherios for second best. This is an issue of principle. My trades are flawless. My analysis of the trade tree was perfect. It was not. You took losses at several points. It always made up for them. The only way you could have possibly come out ahead of me is if you... I saw it happen, but I figured you would. I mean, it doesn't make any sense that. Thank you for your time. I'll be pleased to provide you with a reference. Think I don't know what's going on here? You would have to be blind. You're barely even trying to hide it, Mr. Lee. Your family is very well respected. Please don't compel me to have security escort you from the building, or for there to be any other kind of public unpleasantness. Public unpleasantness? Does talking like that make you feel like you come from somewhere? You couldn't keep me in this shithole at gunpoint. Goodbye, Mr. Lee. Fuck you. Hates innovation. Congratulations on making it past your probationary period. Don't worry about Mr. Lee. I'm sure he'll find another firm. I'll take him. If not, the world is always looking for wealthy tourists. Congratulations again. Keep your eye on the ball. Hey, Quinn. Let's go home. Hello, so you're the glorified piker. They just graduated on probation, huh? Makes you sick that I'm supposed to either stomp out somebody your age or lose my job, but don't take it personally. Nothing lasts forever. Hell, I'm already tired of this car. The car I bought a week ago, expensive taste, never keeps up with easy boredom. That's the problem with everybody in this fucking business. You'll be happier after I get you tossed out of here, but after I know you won't believe it until it happens. So then do your worst, kiddo. Hey, Quinn. You didn't hear this from me, but I think a lot of people were rooting for you to take out Clark. Let's face it, he's washed up, a has-been, maybe even a never was. Sure, he made a lot of money, but as somebody who comes from that world, I can tell you he has no class. People like him don't belong here. Don't tell him I said this, but I'll be happy if he was sleeping on a pile of cardboard. So sick of his, I'm too cool for this. Wouldn't it be better if we could just let it go, all go out and make their dream come true? You got this. So we need some tea, we need some tea, we need some tea. Filing demands that coffee plantation workers being met in Belcador. Second labor crisis has now sprung up in the oil industry. Oh God. GeistNet. Northern Get Oil and Gas will rally after 1600. Oh, we can lobby. Whoa. Let's lobby. What's up, buddy? I take it you've seen the news about oil going down in a little bit. The GuySnet post about it going up a whole lot. Well, today is going to be a wild one. We're going to fuck up both of those expectations and make a killing doing it. Let me introduce you to our lobbyists. You can let them sweat the details. We'll stock price to go one direction when they're buying or selling. In this case, we want to make oil prices go through the floor. They'll fly to Bolcador. You gotta make sure not. I've already sent lobbyists. Let's send some more. Oh, if we short oil prices, plastics go up. Put a long in for that. Put a long in for that. And then let's short them a lot. Put basically all my lobbyists on this. Let's look at the plastics here. What is it? We are agency based on how much bad shit happens thanks to us. Pay attention to those. There you go. You might even have some kind of court. You gotta have to pay fines. Hell, you might even have to apologize. Diversify who and what you should on though, and you should be fine. Don't fuck around. We made 80K here. I'm not doing half bad. That's gonna rise. Put 100K on that. Food stuff. Let's make sure it rises. Make sure that produce falls. Short it for 500K. Put another one on there. Make sure that goes up. I really didn't want to ruin the oil market, and I'm not sure how that's going to work out. Let's lower the price of produce. We're doing pretty good, I think. However, though, we're probably gonna have to cut this short soon because I don't have that much more time. Much time left. Let's buy back that. You know what? Fuck it. How was coffee? What? Did I misunderstand that? What is the cost of... I want that tanking. Defiant. Yeah, well, I don't want to make a loss here. Because look at that short debt. Let's have a thing of coffee. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to restart this day. Yeah. Emergency PR. Let's buy another condo. Start leasing that one out. Getting fired for my trades bringing too much negative attention to the firm? Are you kidding me? I got news for you fucking people hate us anyways. Farius is just using this to get rid of me because, you know what? That's none of your fucking business. But when this happens to you, believe me, you'll understand. In the meantime, you can all get fucked. I have another 2 bear statues to give the hand place out. There we go, we got one. Put another one. And then we got that. Then we got that. You understand, the more you screw up, the more difficult it makes it look like this. Public opinion is a complex thing. A spectacular amount of time and money is invested in expressing it within a special. That's a single metric on entire sport. Do this so you can focus on making money. We also do it so you have no excuses whatsoever if you screw up. Now, guess why I'm standing here? You screwed it up. If you can't conduct business profitably without dragging Pharaohs through the mud, we'll find somebody who can. Let's get out of here. Alright. So, we're gonna go here. This is gonna be that was our last day, so we're gonna save here. We're gonna let it say that it's the next day. And then we'll hit it. And then we'll go back to the main menu. The main menu. Thank you for watching. I'll record this again later. I'll make a return to it, like I'll make a return to everything else. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.